We glad to introduce you a GT Air 2019 model year. The bike is equipped with a GTFS design, heat and steel tubes, DT Gusset, American BB, seat stay mounted U-brake, external 1-to-1/8 inches high/T, with removable rotor tabs, Odyssey Springfield Brake compatible frame, and reliable fork GTFS design, heat and 2PC. Steerer amp, tapered legs, 31mm offset, 3/8 of an inch axle dropouts. And speed. High quality transmission makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes set up on the bike such as aluminum U-brake with soft compound pad. GT Air 2019 year is a good option for skiing on both country roads and city streets. This model is equipped with Innova, 20 by 2.3 inches front, 2.2 inches rear. This is a good option in the ratio of price quality. Drive and pleasure.